हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन। तो क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि water of mass m equals to 20 gram is enclosed in a thermally insulated cylinder at the temperature of 0 degree under a weightless piston whose area is h equals to 410 semi square. The outside pressure is equal to standard atmospheric pressure. To what height will the piston rise when the water absorbs Q equals to 20 kilojoule of heat? राइट। मतलब कि क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि हमारे पास एक इंसुलेटेड सिलेंडर है। लेट्स से कि ये हमारा एक इंसुलेटेड सिलेंडर है, कुछ ऐसा, राइट। जो कि एंड देयर इज अ पिस्टन लाइक दिस। सो दिस इज आवर पिस्टन and the water here, the weight of the water is 20 gram at 0 degrees Celsius, and we have to find that at what height will the piston rise when the water absorbs 20 kilojoule of heat. Means when we will put 20 kilojoule of heat here, then at what height will the, let's say, each height the piston will go up. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा जो की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा, की कॉन्सेप्ट, that is first law of thermodynamics, that says that delta Q is equals to delta U, that is change in internal energy, plus delta W, that is change in work done, or you can say delta Q is equals to delta U plus P delta V, right. Now हम जो 20 किलो जो हीट दे रहे हैं, that Q which we are giving, so एक पार्ट तो हम क्या जानते हैं कि वाटर इज एट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, मतलब इस वाटर को हमें फर्स्ट बॉयल करना पड़ेगा, राइट। दैट मीन्स द one part of the heat will go in the boiling part, then the excess heat which remains after boiling, that will help to raise the piston. That means this, let's say Q is equals to delta Q plus Q1, and Q1 is for heating the, or you can say for boiling the water, right. So Q1 का वैल्यू कितना होगा, एम सी डेल्टा टी, राइट। और इस डेल्टा टी का वैल्यू होगा 100 डिग्री माइनस 0 डिग्री, राइट, दैट इज 100, और एंड सी इज द हीट कैपेसिटी ऑफ वाटर, राइट, or you can say specific heat capacity of water. Now from first law of thermodynamics, that Q delta Q is equals to delta U plus P delta dV. So delta U को हम लिख सकते हैं कि that is delta M Q plus P into delta dV, that is S into H, because S is the cross sectional area and H is the increase in height, right. So we have to find this delta M. Now to find this delta M, we will use the relation dV is equals to nRT, where the N can be written as small m by big M, where this big M is equals to molecular weight of water, that is 18 gram, right. So PV is equals to, you can say, delta M by M RT. From here you can write delta M is equals to MP into V, that is S into H by RT, right. So now let's come to this equation. So delta Q is equals to PM S into H by RT, that is the value of delta M, into Q plus P into S into H, right? So from here you can say that delta Q means Q minus Q1, that is equals to P into SH plus, or you can take it as a common, let's say take P into SH as a common into 1 plus QM by RT, right? Now coming to the next page, so what you get, that Q minus Q1 equals to SH into 1 minus QM RT, right? So H is equals to Q minus Q1. So Q1 will have insulated as we discussed by PS into 1 plus QM by R. Now we have to just put the value in this equation. For M is given, that is 20 gram, right? M, that is molecular weight of water, that is 18 gram. C is equals to 4.2 joule per gram degree Celsius, right? Delta T is equals to 100 degree Celsius, and the S is also given, that is the surface area, that is 410 semi square, right? Now we know the value of R, so putting this value we will get the value of H will be 0.2 meter, or you can say that is equals to 20 semi, right? So our piston will rise 20 semi after the water absorbs Q equals to 20 kilojoule, right? So our final answer is 20 semi. Hope you understand it. Best of luck.